Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
how to grow YouTube channel and how does YouTube work. Let's get started. First, we discuss what is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform where users can upload, share, and view videos. YouTube has become one of the most popular websites in the world, with billions of users and a vast array of content, including educational videos, entertainment videos, vlogs videos, product reviews. And now, why is YouTube important? YouTube is important for personal use, business and marketing, creative expression. And now, benefits of YouTube. 1. Global reach. YouTube has a global audience, allowing content to reach users worldwide. 2. Diverse content. YouTube offers a vast array of content, catering to different interests and preferences. 3. Community engagement. YouTube allows users to engage with each other through comments, likes, and shares. Now we will discuss how to grow YouTube channel. Number 1. Understanding your audience. Identify your target audience. Consider their age, interests, occupation, and location to create content that resonates with them. Analyze your channel's performance. Use YouTube analytics to track metrics like views, engagement, and audience retention. Number 2. Content creation. Focus on quality content. Invest in good equipment, editing software, and optimize your videos for better engagement. Create specific content. Tailor your content to your audience's interests and needs. Use attention-grabbing titles. Craft titles that are informative, yet enticing enough to encourage clicks. Optimize video descriptions. Include relevant keywords, links, and calls to action. Number 3. Channel optimization. Use custom thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in search results and entice viewers to click. Create optimized playlists. Organize your content into playlists to increase watch time and engagement. Add a subscribe button. Encourage viewers to subscribe by adding a button to your end screens. Number 4. Promotion and engagement. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Foster a community by responding to comments and encouraging discussion. Use YouTube features, leverage end screens, cards, and watermarks to promote your channel and encourage engagement. Number 5. Analytics and tracking. Use YouTube analytics. Track your channel's performance, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Monitor your metrics. Keep an eye on views, engagement, and audience retention to refine your content strategy. Number 6. Growth strategies. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with creators in your niche to reach new audiences. Invest in YouTube ads. Use targeted ads to increase your reach and attract new subscribers. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. And now, how does YouTube work? How YouTube works. YouTube is a video sharing platform that allows users to upload, share, and view videos. Here's a detailed overview of how it works. Number 1. Uploading videos. 1. Creating an account. Users can create a YouTube account to upload and manage their videos. 2. Uploading videos. Users can upload videos from their devices or import them from other sources. 3. Video settings. Users can set video titles, descriptions, tags, and categories to help others find their content. Number 2. Video discovery. 1. Search. Users can search for videos using keywords, phrases, or topics. 2. Recommendations. YouTube's algorithm recommends videos based on user behavior, such as watch history and likes. 3. Browse. Users can browse videos by category, topic, or channel. Number 3. Video playback. 1. Streaming. Videos are streamed directly from YouTube servers to users' devices. 2. Playback options. Users can adjust playback settings, such as video quality, subtitles, and speed. Number 4. Monetization. 1. YouTube Partner Program. Creators can monetize their videos through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 2. Ad revenue. Creators earn money from ads displayed on their videos. 3. Sponsorships. Creators can partner with brands to promote products or services in their videos. Number 5. Community engagement. 1. Comments. Users can leave comments on videos to engage with creators and other viewers. 2. Likes and dislikes. Users can like or dislike videos to show their appreciation or dissatisfaction. 3. Subscribing. Users can subscribe to channels to receive notifications about new content. Number 6. YouTube algorithm. 1. Ranking videos. YouTube's algorithm ranks videos based on relevance, engagement, and other factors. 2. Personalization. The algorithm personalizes video recommendations based on user behavior and preferences.
Video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.